Hey everyone, it's Gail with Life Begins After 50, and I have been waiting for this day for a long time to show you part one, phase one of our home renovation project. Took between 6 and 8 weeks to complete, and actually it's not complete. We still have an accent wall right over there behind my husband's stereo that needs to be done when the panels come in, but just wanted to show you that this is the wall, the area where we removed a wall between our living room and family room and have made it one large open space that is highlighted by this really funky, fun, unique four-way fireplace. And it is a gas fireplace, and it's just really cool. It's stone, and there's glass, little rocks on the bottom, and the lights are different colors, and the flame is, it can be warm or not warm. We finally got a TV after 2 years and 2 months that sits right here on the fireplace. Our family room has not changed, and no, that's not a Christmas tree. It's my seasonal patriotic tree, and I showed you that before. But this is focusing on the new room, and here we are. So it's one big open space, and this area here is going to be my husband's music room. So he's been into stereo and electronic equipment for a long time, as well as music, and we've already had our first small little party here, playing music, and with the fireplace on and not on warm because it's summer here. But we've had dancing in this room because we don't plan on buying a lot of furniture. It's going to be one open music room space, and got new fans that are very large because we have high ceilings, and also replaced the fan in the family room with the same one. Really plain black fans. I wanted simple because the fireplace is so not simple that I wanted the fireplace to stand out. I love this fixture. We added this fixture to our front entryway because there was nothing in the front entryway, and it's a pretty large front entryway, and eventually I plan to get a large area rug in here. We still have Sundance. She just turned 1 and is very much a puppy, so I don't trust her with any good rugs. But anyway, our dining room area here, we tore up the wood floor, which is what you see over here, because we had to do some corrections in the kind of leveling out the floor and straightening out, and we put in porcelain ceramic tile, which mimics the look of kind of like Italian stone, and it's a varied in color, and it's really cool, and it was reasonably priced because it is tile with a really thin grout line, and I like the way it accentuates all of my wood pieces that I bought used from the lady that owned the last house that we lived in. And I think that the tile looks really pretty with the wood pieces. And then the other thing I wanted to show you, and my kitchen is a little bit messy right now, but I'm still gonna show it to you. We had replaced the old lights with new ones, and this is the same thing that's in my dining room and the front entry, same fixture, because I so fell in love with it. And in the kitchen, we put in these 2 oversized pendant lights, which has the seated glass and the black matte metal around it. So it sort of mimics the feel, although it's a different light. And we'll get out of my messy kitchen right now and show you the open space from looking from my kitchen and family room into where the music area and the fireplace is. So this was quite a project. We did it when we had a puppy, which made it more difficult. And also because of the way the real estate market is right now and the economy, it was super hard to find a contractor that would remodel a project and not, they all wanted new builds. So, but this contractor that owned the fireplace company did, we think, an awesome job, and we love the way that it looks. And my point here is it's worth the wait. So no matter what your age is, and me at 60, I'm a little less patient now. We've been through a lot of new builds and additions and remodels, but we can still do it. For me, it tested my patience a lot, more than when I was young. I wanted everything done yesterday, but we can still do it. And then now we can enjoy. I wake up every morning, I come into my big open space, and I have a smile on my face when I pour my coffee because I waited almost 2.5 years, and now I love my house. So phase 2 is going to involve my master bedroom and closet, and that won't start probably till the fall or winter, but I will keep you posted. So if you haven't followed Life Begins After 50's YouTube channel, it's a channel all about life's adventures and having fun and living life to its fullest after 50, and that includes fashion and style and home life and all kinds of things. So click that button, subscribe, and you will never miss another video. Thanks so much for watching, and see you on the next video.